Hello, my name is Catherine, and I've created a course called Teach with Code. I'm a digital literacy teacher in a kindergarten to 8th grade school. I teach students computer science in my limited classes, but I've come to realize that students and teachers in other content areas can also benefit from incorporating computer science. I created this course to introduce teachers to computer science concepts and also introduce them to a coding language that was made for the students that they teach. The audience of this course is experienced classroom teachers. These are mature adults who are well educated. Many of them have master's degrees. Although teachers have been well trained in instructional technology, very few teachers in my school have taken computer science courses in college. I expect that they should be able to navigate the course easily, but many will have little experience with the specific course material. This course will be offered as an independent online experience, at home or in their classroom, and it will also be offered as a professional development session in my classroom in person. The terminal objective for this course is that students should be able to explain computer science concepts in Scratch so that they can create an integrated lesson for their content area. In order to achieve this, learners will have some enabling objectives. Learners will be able to define what makes an object a computer and identify examples of computational thinking. Learners will be able to apply basic algorithms in order to construct a simple program in Scratch with instructions. Learners will be able to combine their previous content area instructional knowledge with computer science concepts in order to design a project in Scratch. The course starts with an introduction and syllabus. There are two main learning modules. The first one talks about what a computer is and has content that shows that integrating computer science into other content areas can improve student thinking skills. It also shows that computer science is already integrated into many professions. There are a few example projects with content area standards that teachers can look at to start thinking about how computer science can help them meet their instructional goals. There is an introduction discussion to help teachers get to know each other and collaborate. There is a second module that goes into the specific concepts in the coding language Scratch. Scratch can demonstrate concepts that are common in all computer languages. Learners will construct their knowledge by completing very small projects. There are videos and process steppers, as well as interactive images to help students engage and learn about Scratch. The second module includes less explicit directions as the units progress so that teachers can begin to figure out code for themselves. The second discussion is intended to have teachers start collaborating about the connections between their content area and computer science. This will help them create and share ideas for their final lesson plan. There is an assessment to help teachers check their understanding following the second discussion. I included quite a few questions that are common problems for students when they begin learning to use code in Scratch. The feedback should help teachers clear up any confusion they may have and prepare them to help students with those issues. The final assignment is to create a lesson plan and example project for a content area class. I have included a rubric and several resources for teachers to explore to help them design their lesson. When students complete this, they will have demonstrated mastery of the objectives. Finally, the course evaluation. I used the OSCQR Course Design Review. I found it very helpful, although there were a few things that did not apply as this is a work-based professional development and not a full academic course. I found that my course was very lacking in introduction materials. The design, content, and interaction sections mostly require minor revisions. The assessment section is somewhat lacking, but this is partly because this is a non-credit optional course.